The northwest of England has played a pivotal role in the development of modern Great Britain. It has provided a major centre for the inception and growth of the Industrial Revolution. The geology beneath the feet of this growth has also been key. The coal mine from the Lancashire coalfield provided the power and heat necessary for heavy industry, and the Sherwood Sandstone Group has not only provided the solid foundations upon which the city of Liverpool is built, but also acts as an aquifer for drinking water in the region. Glaciers have carved their way across the region, remoulding and reshaping the bedrock, gouging hidden glacial valleys deep beneath the modern landscape, and depositing a mosaic of sediments. The region now boasts a comprehensive industrial heritage, but is now moving away from the industrial landscapes that inspired Lowry, and is moving towards a vigorous phase of economic and social regeneration in former industrial areas such as Media City UK in Manchester, the Amiga site in Warrington, and the King's Waterfront project in Liverpool. This industrial heritage has left behind a legacy of modern geological deposits in the form of artificial ground, represented by the red areas on the map. These areas can sometimes be contaminated, but can also provide archaeological windows into the area's industrial past, and even unearth evidence from prehistoric times. The region also supports a high population density, which requires a vast infrastructure. Therefore, it is important to understand the complex relationship between bedrock geology, superficial geology, man-made deposits, and the infrastructure that runs through it. With the forecasts of climate change and associated rises in sea level, it would be crucial to understand the three-dimensional extent of man-made deposits, and how these will respond to environmental changes in areas such as the Liverpool waterfront. The British Geological Survey holds a vast array of geological data for the region, with the mapping and modelling of faults 600 metres beneath the surface to excavations 1.5 metres deep on the surface. All of this data has been assimilated on a regional scale using the Geological Survey and Investigation in 3 Dimensions programme, better known as GSI 3D, producing a three-dimensional model of the subsurface along the Lower Mersey Corridor that extends from the eastern boroughs of Manchester to the eastern portion of the Wirral Peninsula, areas that form part of the Northern Way initiative. The model reveals the complex distribution of glacial and post-glacial sediments, including submerged valleys and inland tidal flat deposits from times of higher sea levels. Additionally, the model displays the extents and depths of artificial ground deposits, including quarries, spoil heaps, and the Manchester Ship Canal, data that until now has not been available. The Lower Mersey Corridor model provides an important tool for planners, academia, and the public in understanding the relationship between subsurface geology and anthropogenic alteration from the region's complex geological and industrial past.